In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the ink for HP 902. Technically, this video is showing you the HP 564, but the process is the same. The first thing you do is to open the cover. Give the printer a second to relocate the ink cartridges. We're going to open our ink using the perforated hole. Once you have the ink out of the package, you will have an orange plastic cover. This is to protect the chip as well as to keep pressure on the ink. Once you remove this, expect minor leakage due to pressure built up. The top part should have this tab here. We'll go ahead and remove that. Go ahead and remove the old ink. Locate the color and the tab here. Push forward and then up, and it'll come right out. When replacing the ink, the front side, which has the nozzle, will get tilted down and pushed in, and then the back side down to lock it in. And be sure to push them all down and they're all sitting flush. Then go ahead and close the printer. After a few minutes, your printer will realign and you're back in business. All right, that about wraps this video up. This is Lars. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, please comment below if there's a comment box, or else you can email us, customerservice@yoyoink.com. Till next time.